Hi friends, I'm Renchita. Thank you for joining with me today. 2019 is coming to an end and we are ready to welcome 2020. Year 2019 has been an eventful year for me. I created over 100 videos on various painting topics and I want to share few touching memories of 2019 with you and thank you. First, I was selected as Creator on the Rise by YouTube from Canada and my channel has highlighted in trending page. For me, this was a sweet memory and it was all because of you, my viewers and my subscribers. Thank you for making this happen. Secondly, I crossed a big landmark of 100,000 subscribers and received the silver play button from YouTube. This is a big memory and a moment to cherish. This was the proof that I was creating engaging and value added content to my viewers. I thank all of my viewers and subscribers for continuous support which resulted in the silver play button. Finally, I was invited for the YouTube Canada event and shared the big stage with my well-known YouTubers. This was a wonderful memory and I learned a lot from my other YouTube creators. I thank YouTube and my subscribers for making this happen. In 2019, I received a lot of memorable gifts in the form of paintings done by my followers from around the world. There were a lot of touching comments and emails and how my paintings inspired many people around the world, like somebody started a new hobby, somebody made a sale out of paintings made from my videos, somebody started painting on seeing my videos and came out of depression, so on and so forth. I thank each one of you for these touching messages and this is in fact my inspiration to make new painting videos every week. Throughout these years, you, my viewers, have helped me grow with the suggestions and feedback through comments and emails. These feedbacks always motivated me and have really helped me to improve and make more engaging contents. I really appreciate your time and effort in watching my videos and providing your valuable feedback for me. I expect continuous support like this in the coming year and I promise to create, engage and value added content for you. I wish you all a happy new year and let us start with our beautiful painting section.